Hey guys, welcome back to the Sounds Fun World. So today I'm going to be playing a game with my friend Lyla, and you can tell this game has to do something with slime. So basically we're going to be adding the exact same thing to the almost exact same color slime. Both of our slimes are purple, and we're going to try to make it look kind of the same at the end, and yeah. So hopefully that goes well, and hopefully it doesn't backfire. So let's get started to the video. So basically, this is my slime right now. So I'm going to give you a little ASMR. So first, I'm going to show you the pokiness, the stretchiness. Let it drop. It's going to go forever. And let's see, let's make a bubble. A bubble. So that's what it can do so far. Now let's see what Lyla's can do.
Hi everyone, I'm Lila, and today I'm going to be in Xiaolan's video, like making the slime the same, and then, yeah, let's let Xiaolan take over.
Okay, so first we're going to flatten this slime out. Yeah. And then we're going to add some glue. Okay, I think I added a little too much glue, but that's okay because I'm adding shaving cream next. Shake. That's a lot of shaving cream. Because of how much shaving cream I added, I'm going to add some more glue. Squeeze. Oh, that's a lot of glue. Okay, I think that's too much glue. But that's why I'm adding some activator. But before I add that, let me add some baking soda so it gets that nice texture. Just a little bit of baking soda. This much right now is not good. Just grab a little pinch of that and sprinkle it on. And another little pinch and sprinkle it on. And put everything back in to the, and then spread the rest on your hand into the slime. And now let's get mixing. Put this slime over there and mix. Oh my god, this slime is... I forgot to add activator. Oh no, I forgot to add activator, and this thing is going to be so sticky. So you might see me mixing for a while. Actually, you might not see me mixing for a lot of time. So I'm just going to put my hands on it so it will be done. But just because of that, I am going to add some shaving cream. That's a little too much. That means I'm going to add a lot of glue. I'm going to finish this whole bottle of glue. I think that's about good. We're gonna need no more glue for the rest of the video. Yay! Don't forget my activator this time. Okay. I'm gonna try to mix with one hand so one hand stays clean and this hand I can use for activator. But then it will be hard. Yeah, I'm actually not gonna do that, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, I said I'm going to try to keep this hand clean. And look, I already made it dirty. Alright, so just mix, mix, mix. This is fun. So I'm gonna just keep on mixing this slime. It's so hard to play with. See, look how stretchy. You remember how stretchy it used to be? No, this is how stretchy it is now. You think it's stretchy, but once I do this, it's like so grippy. Look how hard it slams against the floor. That's like so hard. And my hands are horrible. So yeah, now let's watch Lyla add the same things in.
Okay, I'm Lyla, and you can't see my face because I tilted my iPad, so let's get adding the materials. First, I'm going to add glue because I don't want to add a lot because this glue is really hard to control. Okay, steady only a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, yeah, that's good. At least not as much as I think it will be, as I thought it will be. Okay, some activate. Oh my god, it went on the back, but it's okay. Now some shaving cream. Oh my god. And now I'm gonna add the baking soda. Pour some in my hand. Oh my god. Okay, add a little pinch. And another one. Then pour the rest back in. And then just sprinkle it on. Okay, now let's get mixing. Oh my god. I kind of added a little too much shaving cream, so you might see me mixing for a while. Okay guys, I'm done mixing, but this is like white.
Okay, so next, let me just roll up my sleeves because this is gonna get messy. So, like I said, no more glue for the whole entire video. So yeah, we're gonna add shaving cream all the way up here, at least all the way over here. So we're gonna see how fluffy this turns. That is a lot of shaving cream. Yeah, I definitely need to add some baking soda. So grab a lot of baking soda first. Take a pinch. By the way, you can follow this step at home too. Take another pinch, put the rest in, sprinkle it all on this. Now add some activator. I want to touch a little bit of the shaving cream. Oh my god, that felt so weird. It felt like whipped cream. Ew, this is disgusting. Wait, yeah. So let me just, the people who are watching, don't add so much shaving cream like how I did. Okay, so, this is like only shaving cream. Yeah, like I said, people who are watching this video, do not add so much shaving cream. Shaving cream, shaving cream, shaving cream. At least we want to make it super fluffy. Okay, so like I keep on adding the shaving cream, and then I keep on adding it, and then I keep on adding it, and then I keep on adding it. Every single video I play with slime, or like this is the first video, but any other video I play with slime, it's probably going to be with shaving cream. This is so rippy. Lila's slime is going to be way better than me. Take that back. I definitely need more glue. I definitely need more glue. Ew, look at this freak. Oh my god. Look at my hands. I'm the freak. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can even stretch it a little bit anymore. Look. Ew. I'll see you back when I finish mixing this. And you might see when I finish mixing it, there's going to be like a little difference because I'm definitely adding glue. So imagine I just added glue in this. So like, yeah, see you after that. So this is my slime when it is finished, and it's so big and it's so white. I just want to smack it on the floor. It's like, woo! Okay, so the next thing is Lyla mixing her slime.
Okay, so first we're gonna add shaving cream. A lot, like Xiaolan said, but not too much because she kind of regret it. And then some activator. And then some baking soda. And you have to pour some on your hand like usual. Then you make pinches. 1, 2, and then pour it all back in. And then sprinkle the rest that's on your hand into the slime. And we're gonna start mixing it. Okay, I'm scared. I want to touch the. Oh my god. It feels so fluffy. I wonder how big my slime is gonna be after I'm done mixing. Oh my god. And I wonder how light it will be. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This part is so fluffy. So I'll come back when I'm done mixing this. Okay, everyone, this is my slime. And after this, Sean's gonna take over, and you won't see me in a little bit because after Sean does her things, I'm just gonna follow along. So yeah, you won't see me for a little bit.
So this is our slime, and as you heard, we won't be seeing Lila's slime for just a little bit, which is kind of sad, but we can't see. That's only because we can't FaceTime for this long. We had such big breaks when we were like pausing the video, and we have to do it again, if you know what I mean. But guess what? Glue is back, and I also brought another one just in case. I'm using Elmer's school glue, washable, no run. Okay, since I introduced glue so well, I'm gonna add a lot of glue. Yeah, I'm gonna add a lot of glue. Okay, so like here, and then I add a lot of glue. I might finish this whole thing. Yeah, I finished this whole thing. At least not the whole thing. There's still a little more. Add that and squish. I think that's about good. Drop, poke, 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 poke. Yeah, good. And then we're gonna add 4 pinches of baking soda this time. We're gonna do everything the same except just 4 pinches. So, okay, so let me add 1 pinch. Sprinkle. And 2 pinch. 3 pinch. And 4 pinch. Maybe 5 pinch. Maybe 6 pinch. We're gonna do 10 pinches. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then put everything back in. And then sprinkle the rest. Then we're gonna add a lot of shaving cream. Guys, that's so smooth. Do you see how smooth that is? It's like forming a circle. You have to add more shaving cream than glue. Yeah, so that's how much shaving cream I added. And I'm definitely going to be cleaning this bottle. And I won't forget a lot of activator. Half activator that you added for your shaving cream. Now, my favorite part to mix. Okay. Cover. Oh my god. I just feel like I'm being hugged. My fingers are being hugged by just like this warm cloud. Oh my god. This feels so amazing. But the bad thing is my hands. So I will see you. I will see I might not see. Okay, I will see if I can fix this. But when I'm done mixing this, I will see you then. So basically, this is my slime. It looks like just a big brain, but with like no memories in it. It's like a smooth, flat, hard brain. So let me flip it over. Last but not least, to decorate it, glitter. I got these blue star glitters. I'm gonna add 1 pinch of glitter. Two pinches of glitter. Oh, I see a pink pinch of glitter in the blue paint. But that's okay. And last but not least, 3 pinches of glitter. And now let me just close the cap. And then let me mix. Perfect, we finished. So let me give you some ASMR. So there's blue glitter, and most importantly is the blue glitter. It doesn't count by the color. And then the pokiness also counts. That's amazing. Now let's see what Lyla did.
Okay, so this is my slime. It has glitter. And I did all the steps that Xiaolan did. So let's do it. So this is the pokiness. Not that pokey. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is like my slime. It has glitter and this is the pokiness.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys. Bum ba dum.